This is the KARCHER NT70 vacuum cleaner, designed for easy pickup of wet or dry dirt. This simple machine has a large 70-litre capacity and is available with 1, 2 or 3 independently switched vacuum motors for exceptionally high performance when it's needed and lower noise and power consumption when it's not. The NT70 is very easy to operate and transport. The large filter is easy to access thanks to 2 robust clips, and there's a high metal handle at the back, as well as large wheels, brake casters at the front, and a large grab handle. There's convenient storage for the power cable, tools, and suction tubes on the back of the machine, as well as a drain hose for easy emptying without the need to tip the machine up. The machine's floor tool comes with brushes for dry use and squeegees for wet pickups. The machine is equally at home picking up dry or wet dirt, spillages and floodwater, and makes a great machine for almost any professional environment. The NT70 vacuum range from KARCHER, an indispensable piece of kit for your business.